In this video, I will be showing you how to get the most out of Perplexity AI with these practical tips and examples. Let's get started. I'm starting here with the official guide, which shows how Perplexity streamlines information gathering. It's like a personal Swiss Army knife for all my research needs, whether I'm looking for quick answers or doing an in-depth investigation. Now, I'm scrolling to the key features, specifically how it can answer any question. I love that it searches the live web in real time, giving me up-to-date answers for anything from local info to complex global topics. Every answer includes sourced links, so I can verify the information with confidence. Next, I move to the summarization feature. This is a huge time saver, allowing me to get instant summaries of long articles or documents so I can understand the key points quickly without reading through every page. As I scroll to the use cases, I see how versatile it is. I use it for professional tasks like creating lesson plans or financial analysis, and for creative work like copywriting, marketing, and drafting scripts at the speed of light. Now, I'm looking at these prompting tips. To get the best results, I include clear instructions, background context, and specific keywords. I also define the output format I want to ensure the response is tailored to my needs. I'm checking out the different types of prompts, like informational, instructional, or interactive styles. Finally, I look at these examples for things like meal planning and legal compliance. By being clear and straightforward with my goals, I can get high-quality, relevant results for any project I'm working on. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.